Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? Just here, back at it again with another reaction. So, today I'm going to react to XG again. I'm not going to lie, ever since that last dance practice, I went on a tirade, or just a deep dive of XG TikToks. But thankfully, I avoided everything that I didn't know yet, so I'm happy about that. But, dude, so after the TikTok deep dives, my new bias is going to be Judia. After all that deep dives, and then probably, yeah, Judia and, who's the other one? Judia and, what's that girl's name? It'd be too easy to say Coconut, because I guess probably everyone's bias. But I'd say Judia for sure. Judia for sure is my main bias. So I really like her voice, and her facial expressions are top tier, dude. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna react to two songs, 3 songs technically. We're reacting to Winter Without You and Puppet Show, I think. Puppet Show and Grl Gvng. But also, I'm going to be doing Grl Gvng's dance practice and also Puppet Show's dance practice. So you're actually getting 5 videos, but you're getting 3 songs. Okay, so we're reacting to Winter Without You. Should I say that for last? I feel like it's going to be a slow song. I love slow songs. I don't know, dude. Should I say it for last? I will. I'll save it for last. I don't want to spoil myself too soon. Okay, we'll do Puppet Show first. We're going to do the music videos first, and then we'll do the dance practice. Alright. Alright, let's switch the order to this. We're recording. I am. Hey. And that's the order. Okay, cool.
It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth.
Oh, that's what it is. Hinata. That's who the other one is. So Hinata and Judia.
Before you try to take me out, you ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't not for debating. Boy, stop playing. Boy, it goes a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us. No. Welcome to the puppet show.
I did not see that coming. Oh my god. That was nice. Did not see that coming at all, dude.
Welcome to the puppet show, where we playing with the plastic dolls. They'll do anything when you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. We'll make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got them by a string.
Oh, what is that?
Don't like the look of this picture. Boy, you think that I'm in love with you? Cry me a river. Thought you was split to leave a true extra. I'ma do it my way. Ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like Babylation with it. I'm a controller. Play like Atari. It ain't game over till I say so. Got it. Automatic when I want for it to please me. Might just make you do the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything's so easy. I'll make all of my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us. No. Welcome to the puppet show. Where we playing with the plastic dolls. They'll do anything when you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. Make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got them by a string.
Oh. That is
Just leave the
nice.
whole thing up to me. My expertise.
Nice.
Yeah. Welcome to the puppet show. When we playing like a
Oh my god. Okay. Good word. That was beautiful. Oh, that breakdown is so beautiful.
Just leave the whole thing up to me. My expertise. Yeah. Welcome to the puppet show.
Oh.
Yeah. Welcome to the puppet show.
Oh, that's good.
When we playing
The Aurora Borealis. Stepped into the unknown. They wander deep to I don't even know what that is.
Welcome to the Super Show, where we play you with the plastic too. They'll do anything, anything, they'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, by a string. Gonna play it like a toys, play it like a toy. Make 'em do what we enjoy, make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything, anything. When you got 'em by a string.
Right. Should I stop here or let the music video finish? I'll stop here. Anyway, guys, that was a great song. I'd say it's like a 7.5, I'd say. The breakdown for sure was my favorite part of this whole song. And also the chorus. I don't know what it is, but that drop before the chorus was perfectly timed, I swear to God. I swear to God, dude. But yeah, man, that breakdown was beautiful. Oh my God, my ears were just having an eargasm right when I heard that. Okay, let's get to the main meats and potatoes. Oh, okay, I love their dances, dude. Let's see what we get. They're so far away, dude. I can't see them.
It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you
Oh my God, that is so much.
We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't up for debating. We'll stop playing before we goes a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Welcome to the Breakfast Show.
Oh my God, those transitions, dude. Oh my God.
Wrapping our fingers,
You see that? Oh my God. The continuation is beautiful, dude.
welcome to the Breakfast Show.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don't like the look of this picture, boy.
Dude, the I don't know how to describe it, but like the focus on a certain storyline of the body parts of the body is one of the things I personally enjoy. I'm not sure if it's technically correct or anything like that, but like when I see like dancers that have a continuity with a certain body part where like you'll see them stomp with one foot and then maybe skip forward a couple times, they'll do another movement that's similar to that, and you're like, oh wait, that storyline's continuing for that stomp. You know what I mean? Or maybe they'll take a huge step forward with the same stomp and something like that, just to show to give that continuity to it. And it's like it makes me feel so happy, dude. I swear to God. So like the continuity they're doing with the arms, dude, is beautiful, dude. I love that, dude. Oh my God. Like see that? Oh my God. Like see that? It's all one movement, not one movement, but it's focusing on one style of movement, I guess. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, they're still doing it, dude. Oh, that's 10 out of 10, dude. I'm not gonna lie, that move is so interesting. I wouldn't call it twerking, but I don't know what else to call it. I go back. Would that be twerking? Wouldn't, right? Is it the same thing as the Ketsy's video for touch? Similar move, but not as like, let's say, isolated. Oh, that was nice. One more time for that. Oh my God, that was beautiful. You see that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Y'all don't understand what I'm saying right now, dude. It is so cool, dude. That's just me. I'm looking for certain things when I watch dancers, dude. That's different than like regular dancers. Oh, the breakdown. Oh, careful, no. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
Welcome to the show. Where we play with the plastic toys. They'll do anything. They'll do anything. When you gotta hang by a string, by a string. Playing like a toy, playing like a toy. Make 'em do what we enjoy. Make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything. When you got 'em by a string.
Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The continuity in their dances was beautiful. The levels were great. The I don't know what it's called, but the working together, teamwork, I guess is the best way to describe it. But those parts were amazing. Towards that, the breakdown was nice. That I don't know if I knew all the names for the proper way to call it, but the way the part where they're all together and like they all go on the floor and then they just lean back, beautiful. But yeah, man, that was great. Okay, next one, which is Grl Gvng. Let's put that on real quick. Maybe I should switch it up. Maybe I should do the dance verse for this one. I don't know. No, we're in the future again.
Yeah. I've been here to be a different kind of party. That type of crew don't got inside of nobody. You mess around with us, I promise you'll be sorry. Trust me, that be a big mistake. We go hard every day. Me and my girls ain't here to play.
It's weird, but this music video has like weirdly like 2010s. What's that called? Do you know that gum? Five gum. You know that gum, like their music videos? It's like their ad commercials. Combine that with like Y2K, like that early 2000s gamer like ads and stuff like that. I think you combine that, you get this music video, in my mind.
If you ain't tough, can't join a club. Yeah, we only got room for the baddest. Middle one is my team, go ham with it. Don't you let these pretty faces fool you. Savage underneath. There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we know how to solve them. Workflow, has a game. Never big fights for the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with creases of female empire. Workflow, has a game. Never pick fights for the girl game. All of my ladies are fire, rolling with creases of female empire. Bow down,
Oh my god, that was a great chorus. I usually don't like rap line choruses, but that was great, dude.
get back, head down, get set. We go hard every day. Me and my girls ain't here to play.
I don't know who that was. It sounds like Chisa, but
Baddest, yeah. Only a room for the baddest. Ooh.
Galactus. What? It's over? Oh my god. Nah, y'all gotta be, y'all can't be serious, dude. You cannot be serious right now, dude. Ain't no way that dance is only gonna be a minute long, dude. Ain't no way. Oh my god. Oh no, that's 3 minutes. Okay, I'm so confused right now, dude. I am shocked and chagrined. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but I am shocked right now. Let's get to it. Oh, they got chairs, okay. the way Coconut got done like that, that was beautiful, dude. Watch, watch, watch. Oh, that's beautiful. She synced in so quickly. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I like that. Oh. Oh, that drop is nice, dude. Hey. You know what? I want to tell you guys something. See, there's chair moving the chair around, and then there's XG's moving the chair around, dude. That was beautiful, dude. That it was part of the dance, and they were able to move it perfectly. That was good, nice, dude. Oh my god, that was nice, dude. See, you know what's crazy? They could have just got on the same chairs they were pushing, but they did something different. They moved still. That is nice, dude. Like, look right there. Look, they could have just got right there. They could have just gotten on those chairs right there. Stop right there, dance, got in that chair. But they did something different, dude. Oh my god. See, that's interesting. Them moving the chairs is actually part of the dance. That's so interesting, man. Usually, the moving the chairs just like, okay, let's get to this next part, and then we can use the chairs. You know what I mean? So just pick up the chairs, put it down, and it'll get to the next part. But they're actually using the chairs to dance with, which is it's so different, dude. Well, they're using the movement of the chair as part of the dance. That's nice, dude. Alright, so that was XG's Grl Gvng. Yeah, Grl Gvng. Yeah, that was a great dance. Great use of props in this one. But yeah, I mean, that chair was given. Oh snap. Anyway, on to our next one. Hopefully it's a slow song. Fingers crossed. It has word winter in it, so I assume it's slow. We'll find out. This is 4 minutes song. Okay, good. Oh wait, is that the creator? Jacobs. Jacobs, dude. He's going crazy, dude. Alright, and then, oh, that's right. Somebody said the choreographer. Who was that name? Serena. Let me see. Wait, where is it? Pause this real quick. Let me see. Sienna. Sienna is their main choreographer. And Keel, Sienna Lalau, and and Keel Tutin. They killed their choreographies, dude. No cap. Okay, let me go back real quick. Alright. W production, literally W choreographers. Nah, she came in hard as heck, dude. Go back on that. That was funny.
Looking cute at every Christmas party, posting on my stories, still a little snowy. Yeah. Joyful, 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 raise your voice. Everybody come and raise your voice. So now.
Man, ain't she the rapper, bro? She killed on that part. Come on, Maya.
Joyful, 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 raise your voice. Everybody come and raise your voice. So now. Hey, let me tell the truth. If I remember, we would sit by the fire, holding hands. Sweet smell of sugar and spice was ever simple. Like the season you was gone with the wind, fall, winter, spring. Back around with my December blues, I've been feeling again. So listen, I really wanna know what we went wrong. I wanna know if you will hear this song, and if I could turn back the time, you'll be.
Oh, that transition was beautiful, dude. Oh my god.
I really wanna know what we went wrong. I wanna know if you will hear this song, and if I could turn back the time.
Oh my god, that was nice. Door.
If you will hear this song, and if I could turn back the time, you'll be in my arms again. But there's some things that I can't change. So now, this ain't winter without you. No more joy, no laughter. Wish that I could turn it back around when I'm falling down. So how am I supposed to go without you? Days go cold, so won't you say that you'll be home for Christmas? Heavy snow pouring out my window. I pray the stars and the angels. No more long, nowhere to hide. Why I need you for sure. So I keep wishing and hoping you walk through the door. Only 'cause I know I'll fight through the cold. As long as I am with my baby, please hurry up. I'll be staying up all night. No matter what, I'm up in the morning. I won't be the same, I'll play back every moment. There's nobody else to run to, believing it like it's true. That you will come to rescue. I never miss you, now tell me how. How am I supposed to go without you? Days go cold, so won't you say that you'll be home for Christmas? This ain't winter without you. No more joy, no laughter. Wish that I could turn it back around when I'm falling down. So how am I supposed to go without you? Days go cold, so won't you say that you'll be home for Christmas? This is where I'm going down. No need to worry
That's wild, dude. Ten out of 10. That was beautiful. W's. Oh my god, that was nice. Coconut's vocals in this were beautiful, man. Her transitions really, transitions from her rap to her vocals are beautiful. Then her little low parts at the end. You always need like a low voice whenever you're doing those. Whenever you're doing like nice winter songs, you just need one little voice to like, oh, this is kind of R&B, type shit. Anyway, yeah, man, that was XG's Winter Without You. What do you guys think? You guys enjoyed the song as much as I did? If not, to my so to me so. If you like, comment, subscribe, and Christian below. Just there, out. All right, dude. Winter Without Me. How about with